to Living Wise TV, and it's Tosin's menu. Today we are preparing almond milk, and I'll show you two methods of preparing almond milk. But before I go on, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also leave your comments in the comment section. I'd like to know your views and which method you prefer. Also, don't forget, click on the notification bell so that you're notified as soon as a new video is available. I have almonds here and some water. This is half a cup of almond, and so we're doing the first method where I'm going to use the peel, and I'm just pouring this into the blender. So that's half a cup of almond, and add some water. That's just about half a cup of water, and I blend. Add some more water. And I blend again. The first method is the sieving method, where I use the peel. The peel, I blend with the peel, and I'm just going to sieve with this sieve. And I'm going to use this with this, and this is how I prepare the almond milk. Watch until the end and you'll see how I prepare the second method. So I'd like you to tell me which of the methods you prefer. So just look on. So you'll see that you still have some almonds inside this mixture. So I'm putting it back into the blender. And I'm going to add some more water so that at least I have most of the almond out of the peel. And I'm going to blend it. And I'm going to sieve again. Usually I do this maybe like 2 or 3 times as I pour back into the blender, so that at least you get most of the almond out of the peel. Sieve it out. You can also use a cheesecloth for this, but I prefer using this. And I do this one more time. Okay, so in total I used about 2 cups of water for this method, 2 cups of water for half a cup of almonds. And this is the first method, and you will see that most of the almonds are off the peel now, and we are done with the first method. So I'm just going to pour the peel out of here, and we have our almond milk, and I'm just going to pour that in here. Well, it's up to you, depending on the thickness. You add water, enough water, to give you the consistency that you want. So for this method, I had half a cup of almonds and 2 cups of water. This is the second method. I forgot to mention to you earlier on, the almonds actually were soaked. I soaked them overnight so that they are soft. Because in the second method, we're going to be taking off the peel of the almond. And just look, so it's so, because it is soft, it's so easy to peel that off. So you just peel that off. So we're taking off all the peel from this almond, and this is also half of a cup. Okay, so we're nearly done with the peeling of the almonds, and we're good. So I have all the almonds peeled now, and I just put this in the blender once again and add some water, initially about half a cup of water, and I blend. And I add more water. And that's how we prepare our almond milk. So I'd like to know, which method do you prefer? The first method with the skin and sieving, and the second method where you did not have to sieve. You peel the almond skin first and then you blend. On my own part, I prefer the second method because then I observed that I'm able to use the amount of water that I actually want. And looking at this, I'm just going to pour this in here. Yeah, so I can pour it in here, and I can actually vary the, determine the consistency of the almond milk that I want. This is how we prepare our homemade almond milk. So if you're new to the Living Wise TV, or you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. And please don't forget, leave your comment in the comment section and click on the notification bell so that you're notified as soon as a new video is available. Until I see you in the next video, be wise, live healthy. Bye for now.